Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin inside the table. Click any cell so Excel shows the Table Contextual tab. Now press Ctrl+A to select the entire table and Ctrl+C to copy. This preserves values and formatting. Once copied, move to an empty worksheet or clear range. You need space for the static version. You do this first because converting a table back to a range will remove structured table features. So copy now to avoid losing the original layout or formulas while you prepare the destination. Now paste the data as values so it stops being a live table. Right-click the destination cell and choose Paste Special, then Values, or press Ctrl+Alt+V, then V, and hit Enter. This pastes raw data without table properties. Once done, you can optionally paste formats with Paste Special right arrow formats to retain look. Make sure to check formulas that reference the original table if they use structured references. Adjust them now to the new cell ranges so calculations continue to work as expected. With a static copy saved, go back to the original table and select any cell. On the Table Design tab, choose Convert to Range. This removes table features but keeps data. Once converted, verify formulas. Structured references like Table 1 column may need manual replacement with A1 ranges so links stay correct. If something goes wrong, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo or reopen your saved backup. A quick troubleshooting tip: save a copy of the workbook before major changes. That prevents accidental data loss and lets you retry steps safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.